Okay everybody, I'm here with my 2006 Nissan Titan XE 4x4 and I had someone request a drain and fill tutorial video here on the rear differential. So I'll talk you through it. I would ask if this is helpful to you, please like and subscribe. It really helps me out and allows me to do more of this kind of thing for you. There's two ways to go about it. If you simply need to drain and fill the fluid, Nissan's made it really simple for you. There's a drain plug down here. You're going to use a 3/8 breaker bar to loosen that. Open that up and let that drain out. While you're letting that drain out, up here is the fill plug. I would open the fill plug while it's draining, and that'll give you the breathability for the fluid to drain out. If you're only doing that, you're basically done already. You will tighten these back down. I believe it's 26 pounds, 25 pounds down here and 22 pounds up here. Doesn't really matter, just make them snug. And then you're going to use 75 140 weight gear oil. There's the Nissan kind, you can buy Mobile One. I really don't have a gear oil preference when it comes to the rear diff, as long as you're changing it often and getting that heat resolution, taking the heat away from the gears. You can use a pump bottle to pump it in there. They sell them real cheap on Amazon, and pump the fluid in. Some of the bottles nowadays come with nice pointy tips that you can angle in here. Some people will remove their spare tire to get that angle right, but it's not necessary. In my case, when I do a drain and fill, I like to take the rear diff cover off and take a look at the gears, clean them out real good. So to do that, you're going to take out these series of bolts here. Keep in mind that one of them is on the brake line here and has a little bracket, and there's also this hard line here you don't want to hurt as you take it off. There's a clip here that it holds into. Take those off, and when you get it off, you're going to see RTV gasket maker here, and you're going to see your gears in there. I would recommend draining it first before you take that off so you don't splash stinky gear oil everywhere. But at that point, look at the gears. I like to spray them out with brake cleaner, get it nice and clean in there, and then clean up these mating surfaces for the gasket, being real careful not to nick or gouge them. Just take a wire brush or something soft and clean those up. At that point, you can take RTV, you go around the cover like so, circling the bolt holes, and when you stick it back on there, you want to tighten these bolts in a particular order. I like to start at the top, the bottom, and then to the side, across, to the side, across, across, and across. And tighten those evenly in one pass, and then in a second pass, snug them down to 26 foot-pounds, and that'll give you a nice even hold on the gasket. And at that point, you're able to go ahead and fill your fluid back up. It's going to take a little over 2 quarts. I think it's 2 1/4, 2.5 quarts. So buy yourself 3 bottles, save what's left of the other one for another day, and at that point you're done. That's how you drain and fill your rear differential, and perhaps take the cover off and clean your gears up a little bit. If this was helpful to you, please like and subscribe. It really helps me. If you have questions, ask them in the comments. I always reply. And most of all, thank you. Good luck, everyone.